Pack S3, you're going to lay out the box bottom without styrofoam, like this. First, place the front handlebar about here. Okay? Then, set the piece with these indentations on top so the handlebar fits inside. Place the other large piece of styrofoam on the opposite side, then place the base on top so its feet rest inside these round spaces. Okay? Good. Next, you're going to place the upright in the middle so that the warning sticker is farthest from the wheels. Just like that. Then, place the support piece underneath. Then, place one handlebar on one side and the other on the other side. You're going to finish by taking each styrofoam block, these guys, and pushing down on each base end to ensure they're secure, just like this. Push that down, and push that down. And then toss in the pack containing the 12 screws and the user manual and the Allen wrench. Seal the top and you're done.